Imagine your spouse's boss surprisingly gave him or her next week off. You both decided you want to go on a short notice vacation to Punta Cana in the Dominican Republic, although you are on a tight budget these days. Imagine your spouse's boss surprisingly gave him or her next week off. You both decided you want to go on a short notice vacation to Punta Cana in Dominican Republic, although you're on a tight budget these days. Use kayak.com, not the app, to find the cheapest flight for your vacation, assuming you depart from JFK Airport. Clicking on the link, letting it load. Loading. Okay. I want a flight, correct? Let me go back to the challenge. Cheapest flight from JFK to Punta Cana. Okay. So, I'm going to click, it says Boston. Instead, I'm going to change it to JFK. And up pops New York, JFK. Click on that. To Punta Cana. Okay, and there's only one option, that's good. Click on that. Change the dates to Monday through Friday, I guess. Go back. Travelers to in economy, so I just press the plus button, that's good. Find flights. Okay, so I found a number of flights. It's still partially loading. Okay, now I'm going to go back to the app and click Next. This task was easy. Pick an answer below and state it out loud. Strongly agree. It was easy. I am confident I successfully completed the task. Pick an answer below and state it out loud. Strongly agree. Planning your trip, you're thinking about luggage and packing. What is the weather like in your destination in the next 10 days? Use a website of your choice, not Kayak, to find this information. Okay. So I'm going to go back out to my web browser, and I'm going to go to weather.com. It's basically where I always go to get my weather information. And I'm going to wait for it to load. And now in the search bar, I'm going to put in Punta Cana. Okay. Now that should be loading. Still loading. So as soon as this opens, I'll click on the 10-day forecast. Okay, click on the thing that says 10-day. Now that's loading. Okay, so here's my 10-day forecast. Go back to the app. Clicking next. This task was easy. Pick an answer below and state it out loud. Strongly agree. I am confident I successfully completed the task. Pick an answer below and state it out loud. Strongly agree. Your spouse thinks US dollars can be used in the Dominican Republic. You think there's a local currency which isn't US dollars. Who is right? Please do not base your answer on personal knowledge. Find the answer on a website of your choice. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my web browser, Google Chrome, and right in the search bar, I'm going to search Punta Cana currency. And so Google gives me an answer from livingpuntacana.com. It says the local official currency is the Dominican peso. Its value fluctuates between 39 to 44 pesos per US dollar. Okay, so I guess they do have a local currency called the Dominican peso. There's also puntacanatravel.org. I'm going to click on that to confirm. Alright, what currency is used in Punta Cana? The official currency of the country is Dominican peso. However, because Punta Cana is a hotspot for international tourism, most shops, hotels, excursion companies, and restaurants accept US dollars and euros. In fact, many visitors go about their trips without ever using any currency other than the US dollar. But it is advisable that each member of your party has some Dominican currency in his or her wallet also. The value of DOP typically hovers between 40 to 45 pesos per US dollar. Okay, so that was helpful. I'll go back to the app. Click next. This task was easy. Pick an answer below and state it out loud. Strongly agree. I'm confident I successfully completed the task. Pick an answer below and state it out loud. Strongly agree. Any final thoughts? Please provide any additional comments, questions, or suggestions you have. You can then stop recording and continue to follow up questions. The tests were all pretty straightforward and easy.